Most small schools run their money on a spreadsheet, a bank app, and somebody's memory in 12 minutes. One school from nothing to a reconciled year. Plans, fees, invoices, aid, and state scholarship money. Real product, real data. First, where the money lands. You connect your school's own Stripe account. Yours, not ours. Families pay by card or bank transfer in their portal, and the payout goes straight to your bank. Checks and cash work without any of this. A plan is a price and a rhythm. Under it, the roster. Under each name, the aid that child carries. The top line does the arithmetic you do in your head. Expected each month before aid and after. Older grades often pay differently, so add a second plan. Name it something a family will recognize on an invoice. Then the price. The line underneath tells you what that figure buys in the words of the cycle you pick. Build is the rhythm, and this is where most systems stop at monthly, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, twice a year, annual, one time. A family paid weekly can be billed weekly. For some households, that's the whole difference. The description prints on the invoice, so write it for the family. Create plan, and it sits beside the first one. Adding a student is a search box, not a roster you scroll. 3 letters, pick the child. An annual plan invoices the moment a student joins it, unless you split it. 1 invoice or 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10, 12 installments. Choose 10, and Pearspark writes 10 invoices a month apart, each naming its number. The family sees a payment plan. Your books see the year. Tuition is never the whole bill. Fees get their own catalog, a field trip, a yearbook, art supplies, each with a default amount, which is a starting figure, not a rule. Assess a fee bills a class in one action, and the batch stays on the page, showing what's collected and what isn't. The field trip envelope, retired. Two fees come before a child is enrolled on the public application form. An application fee when a family submits. A registration fee when they accept a place. Tick a box, and it's charged per student. Once a month, this page is the job. Billed, collected with the percentage. Outstanding, across how many families. Overdue, with the age of the oldest. The tile most schools meet in August. Run billing now. The dialogue says what it's about to do and that it's safe to run twice. Nobody is billed for a period twice. There's a box for the month you forgot. Generate invoices. Every family on a plan gets one. It already taken off in their portal before you close the tab. Below, every invoice the school has sent. Who, which children, what for, when it's due, what's happened since. The overdue ones carry their age, and they chase themselves. Reminder goes out weekly, up to 3. Open 1. A line per child with the aid against it, the balance, the history. Print it or save it as a PDF for a family who wants paper. Void cancels it and vanishes the moment a payment lands because you don't untake money. Half the money in a small school still arrives as a check in a backpack. Amount, method, check number, and who actually paid. The family, an ESA program, a scholarship organization. That last drop-down is why the reports later in this video work. Recorded. Balance clear. The family's portal updated. The bookkeeper's export already carrying it. Which is here. Invoice detail. Income by category. Every discount and waiver. And payments, with a Stripe reference that ties an online payment to the deposit in your bank. The same money from the other side. A parent opens the portal and sees one number, then the invoice child by child. No PDF to hunt for, no login they've never had. And they can set it once and stop thinking. Automatic payments. Each invoice paid from a card or bank account the day it's issued. If you bill weekly, that's the difference between a billing system and a nag. Now the harder half. Almost every small school gives aid, and most give it one heartfelt yes at a time until the year is quietly overcommitted. Pearspark starts with a number and a bar showing what's spoken for. Under it, your sliding scale. Under 50,000, 50% off. 50 to 90, 25. 90 to 140, 10. Families pick a band. Nobody uploads a tax return, and we never store one. Open applications, and an apply link appears in every family's portal. You write the intro, who reviews these, and when decisions go out. Submissions land in a queue only staff with aid access can open. Household size, the band they picked, what that band suggests. The facts you decide on, nothing that belongs in a locked drawer. Mark it in review so the family and anyone else reviewing knows it's being looked at rather than lost. Then decide. The percent arrives pre-filled from the band, and you can overrule it, which is the point of having a person do this. Then write the family a line they'll read. Award and notify family. One award per child, an email home, and the application filed under decided with your name and the date. The award is filed under the child. The note prints on our invoices. The bar has moved. Next month's bill comes out halved, without anyone remembering to have it. Which brings us to the money every state program family asks about. Utah pays $8,000 a year per child through Odyssey. Arizona, Florida, Texas, Iowa, and Louisiana each run their own. The mechanics differ. The school's problem doesn't. Money arrives late, in a lump, and you must prove what you were owed. Record it as an award. Type says where the money comes from. How it applies is the one that matters. A third party pays, leaves the invoice whole, and tells the family what the funder owes. Reduces the family's bill, credits it up front. The school carries it and is reimbursed later. Utah works the second way. Programs quote a year. Awards apply per bill. So the form divides for you. 4,000 across, 12 bills. Use it, and it rounds down on purpose. So the bills never claim more than the program pays. Name the funder and record the child's number in the program. That number ties a deposit 6 weeks from now back to this child. Add award. The family is billed the difference. The note explains why, and the school waits for the program. This is where the waiting ends. Program deposits reads your own Stripe account and lists every payout that arrived with no invoice attached. $5,275 unrecorded. One arrived with no recognizable student name at all. It still shows. A matcher that hides what it can't identify is how money goes missing. This one kept its metadata. Odyssey, Utah fits all tuition disbursement. Student name Liam Martinez. So the page matched it to Liam and pre-filled what's left to record. I guess you confirm, not a form you fill. Against an invoice or against nothing. Because on the upfront model, the credit came off the family's bills months ago. That isn't a gap in the data. It's how Utah pays. Recorded in full, so it leaves the list. What's left is what still needs a person. One nameless deposit, $1,275, and a phone call. Underneath it all, the ledger. Every funded student, the full year value of their award, and the share of the elapsed installment dates should already have delivered. Then what arrived, and how long anything short has been outstanding. Amber past 45 days, red past 90. A student paid ahead shows a negative balance and stays on the ledger after they leave. Programs show you their version. This is yours. When a payment is 3 quarters late, the argument is won by whoever has the ledger. The reports programs ask for come off the same rows. Scholarship verification, enrollment, and attendance for the quarter as a spreadsheet or printed per student letters. And the tuition worksheet, full year tuition net of discounts, fees sorted into the 5 categories Odyssey's portal wants. Which leaves the compliance paperwork, and it writes itself from the same data. The program's duties checked against your records. 1 withdrawn scholarship student not yet reported. Utah gives you 5 business days, so the roster runs that clock per child. Every requirement cited to its statute. And a document every program asks every school for. Publish tuition off your plans. Every fee off your catalog. Your refund policy, and the paragraph Utah requires about refunds going back to the program manager, never to the family. Print it, post it, send it. Plans, fees, invoices, aid, scholarship money in the compliance file. 1 system, 1 set of numbers, no retyping between them. $50 a month, including your first 20 students, then a per student rate that steps down as you grow. Try it with real data at demo.pearspark.com.